In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage cookies in PayPal. If you want more control over your privacy settings and the kinds of cookies PayPal uses while you browse, this process is very straightforward. Cookie settings can affect things like site functionality, personalization, and analytics, so it's helpful to know where to find these controls and how to update them when needed. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account and look toward the top area of the page for the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you'll find account preferences and privacy-related options. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open your settings. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Data and Privacy. This is where PayPal groups the controls related to your personal information, privacy choices, and how certain data is managed across the platform. Click on Data and Privacy to continue. After that, scan the page until you find the option called Manage Your Cookies. This link takes you to the part of your account where you can review and adjust your cookie preferences. Click on Manage Your Cookies to open that page. Now you can start managing your cookie settings. On this screen, you'll typically see different categories of cookies, and depending on what PayPal allows in your region or account, you may be able to uncheck certain optional cookies. This gives you a way to limit some types of tracking or personalization while still keeping the core functions of the site available. As you review these options, take a moment to read each category carefully before making changes. Some cookies are essential for security, login sessions, and payment-related features, so those may stay enabled. Others may be optional, and those are the ones you can usually adjust based on your own preferences. If your goal is to increase privacy, you may want to disable any optional cookie categories that you're not comfortable with. If you prefer a more customized experience, you can leave some of them on. The best choice depends on how you use the platform and what level of personalization you want. That's all it takes to manage cookies in PayPal. Just open the settings with the gear icon, go to Data and Privacy, select Manage Your Cookies, and then update the available options as needed. It's a simple but useful way to stay in control of your account privacy settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.